Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout with this fun, bright, happy, sassy, all of the above kits from Color Rush Studio. It is called You Rock. So there's these bold black and white elements, and then there are these bright, fun colors. I mean, I've got the kit, I've got the add-on, and I have the acrylics kit. And her acrylics kits are the best in the biz. They're absolutely fantastic. So I have that. Now I decided that my first layout with this kit, I'm gonna go ahead and play with the challenge. So the challenge, we get a challenge or like a sketch with a twist. So let's see, the twist is, let me see, slice and dice a photo challenge. Cut up one or more photos in your layout. And then this is a sketch. So it's bordered fine. We've got pick a background. I may grab some white cardstock. And then you slice up your photo however you want. And we've got a couple other patterns, small title, large title, embellishments. Perfect. So this one, it's one of those things that's really great because it gets us kind of accustomed to the kit. Or at least for me, anytime, you guys have got to see all these treasures I have. Anytime I start using a new kit, it's like I need a little introduction. You have to play with the things. You have to decide how you feel about them, what ideas they are bringing, to your forefront. This is the die cut / ephemera. I also went ahead off camera because it would be super boring on camera and fussy cut out a number of things that I liked from these papers. So I have them sitting right here and I'll be able to bring them in at will. Sometimes I just like to get my fussy cut on. All right, so I think I'm gonna use a white background like we saw. Let me grab a white background really quickly. I just have a bunch in my stash because it's super easy to use and it'll help pop out the patterns that much more. Oh, let me show you my photo. This is a photo from a recent trip I took with my oldest daughter. And we're at a place called Hop Lot, which literally, it's like you're in the woods and all of a sudden there's a restaurant and a brewery and all that kind of thing. It's just there and you're in the woods. It's fantastic. So that will be my photo. And I'll go ahead and slice it in a couple places right there, where she will be the, star of the show, as she should be. So now let's see. I've got pieces that I already fussy cut into, so probably not going to grab them for my border. I just want to see what I'd like to use. Oh, and I already know that my title will be this fab one here that's called You Rock. So, and that's going to go where large title is, and then there's a small title area. We'll see what we do with that. So let's see, since we know we want to bring in some additional hot pink. Now this in a way is an idea because we've got the bold colors, yet you don't even necessarily have to, read what's going on. You just see all of those fab colors. So that might work because then I can bring in a little bit of yellow in my patterns. And then, I brought in a little yellow. I already have text on this one. Ooh, how about this? So this, I'm trying to see how many patterns we have for a suggestion, and then definitely a pop of the pink. Okay, so the homework I'm going to give to myself right now. Ooh, look at this. That is no, I'm gonna stick with that because it's like slightly more subtle for the vibe I'm feeling. Okay, subtle without being super subtle. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this to 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. No big deal. I'm going to chop up my photo a little bit and I'm going to leave it unbacked just like in our sketch because, the work's already been done for us. So let's just go for it. I'm going to do that, get all the pieces lined up, and then we're going to pick the goodies for our embellishment clusters and our small title, which I already think, where'd my alpha go? This is the alpha in the kit, and I think I'm going to just do Hop Lot with the small title that will be going right here. So stay tuned. I have got the layout done with regards to like the base of the layout. Yes, I know how to use the words And guys, what a design. Bravo to our fearless leader for coming up with it. I think it's great. Now, I've got acrylic. I've got, these are like the, you know, the cardstock over foam. They're from the Cool Boy collection and they have a white core to them. They're awesome. So I've got that, and they didn't even crease when I took them out, but super fun. You can kind of see the word lot right here. So Hop Lot looks subtle, but I like it. I think that's super awesome. Okay. Now, I also have this same like super great vibrant pinky pink, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring it or not. I could do this, which would then, you know, would be tone on tone, which I don't mind. I just don't need it right here. Okay, so we have small title, maybe with a couple little whatevers, who knows? Ooh, you know what I could do? I could do these little lightning bolts right there as like the whatever area, but I don't know. I really like how clean it is. I don't know. We'll figure that out in a second. Now I need embellishment here and around the title. So let me look at that next. Now she is wearing black, which I think looks awesome. So let's see if there's any, ooh, yep, I knew if I started the hunt, I'd be happy. So let's bring this down here. I can still have my tone on tone, but I've got a black star. I'm here for the good times. That's so cute. I just don't need, oh, that's so cute. I just didn't need additional wordy bits. Now that's super cute too. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's pointing at her. I mean, that would still have this down here, which I don't love. So what if I just had that up there? I do love that. Okay. Okay. So it may be more of a cluster here, not as tight down here, but we're still looking. Oh, wait. Now in our sketch, we've got an arrow. So that brought that over there. I'm loving that. Okay. Let's see. I'm kind of feeling the full vibe as we speak with that. So let's see. If I have kind of one, two, I would really like a small amount of something up here, and that would complete my need for all of the things. Okay. I love all that. I like the stars because they kind of vibe with the You Rock idea a little bit more. I do have this one if I need it. It's just a little bulkier than what I'm wanting. Now let's see what's next. I have all kinds of treasures, guys, but I do like the incredible simplicity of this layout. Stop it. Okay. I just found what I needed. Look at that pink. And these are these awesome, like, they're like, I don't even know. They're like little shaker stars, and they're so cute. So that's bringing in more of that fantastic pink. Gives me a nice visual triangle of pink, which I love. Perfect. Guys, I'm so happy with this. I don't even know if I need anything else. Like, I really just love it. I love it. And it's not like I went off like on all different anythings. I just love it. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I am going to stick these pieces down, and I am trying to decide. I'm staying with the simplicity. So guys, this is the finished layout. I don't know if I've ever done something so quickly in my life. The sketch was great. The supplies are so easy to use. It makes it seamless. So all of these will be down. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on the kit. Also, the Facebook group, come on, show us what you did with the challenge, everything else you're doing with the kits. I'll have a few still shots to follow. And guys, I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.